Grill and flat top, what's not to love? Seasoning was trial and error, but once done it's a thing of beauty. Tried the egg test and it worked perfectly. Excellent product. Just make sure to season it properly. It ships with an oil coating to prevent rust from forming. I spent more than 4 hours seasoning it to make sure all the oil residues are burned off properly and to create a non-stick surface. YouTube has a video on how the process is done. I have had the 26-inch Weber kettle for several years now. That grill is really not as good as the 22. But, the cook size makes up for some of its negatives versus the 22-inch perfect charcoal grill. With that said, I finally ordered the 26-inch ARTEFLAME insert. So far have done 4 cooks with it. First use lump charcoal. That will get the grill ripping hot, which you need. And you don't have to add coals. You do need the grill grate insert or you will accidentally drop food in the middle. Plus the grate gets the food over the fire for more flame/smoke/grill marks. I rated it 4 because it is heavy and removal to clean the coal dust could be difficult for some. And, since the grill is over $300, adding the ARTEFLAME insert makes for a pretty expensive package. Also, you must make sure the grill is perfectly level so your juices and foods stay where you put them. Picture dropping an egg and watching it dribble off the edge before it sets up. So, I had to cut one leg on the kettle to get the level cook surface. I'm glad I have it though as an alternative to my smoker and 22-inch Weber. Might someday get a full ARTEFLAME grill. I got mine today at 1000 and I had it seasoned and ready to use right after I got it home. I absolutely love it. It's bigger than I expected. The cooking surface is ample. I have the 22-inch version. Great buy. Game changer, your browser does not support HTML5 video. First off, this is a high-end item, very high quality, and heavy. This is not a skimpy piece of equipment. Excellent addition to my kettles. That being said, I have multiple kettles. I have this on my Performer with a barbecue vortex under the center grate. This is arguably the best combo for this. The vortex heats the ring up rapidly to get you to cooking temp on the surface. The cast grate will get extremely hot with the vortex under it for ridiculous searing. Indirect cooking is not really possible if you go with the aforementioned combo, hence why I have it on a dedicated kettle. I can still indirect or regular cook on my other kettle and I can smoke on my WSM, so it is no loss for my needs personally. But if you just want a sear monster with a flat top and don't care about indirect or smoking, this 100% needs to be on your kettle. Overall, I am beyond satisfied and I cook on this more than my other units. Can still get extra crispy KFC wings, cook amazing steaks, veggies, eggs, bacon, tater tots right on the flat without falling in grates or using another pan on top. Smash burgers without needing another cast pan. Makes grilling so much easier. Really enjoy the dimension it brings to the kettle. Always an attention getter. Nice ARTEFLAME look without having to buy the full-on ARTEFLAME grill. The inaugural cook was on Mother's Day, high-risk opportunity. The cooking surface was excellent, expands the usage of the Weber kettle. I was able to cook sliced seasoned potatoes, green beans with onion and a touch of garlic and the main course seared fillets. Click link in description for more reviews.